Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Happy Friday. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the ZOWIE S1 Divina series. I wanted to go with the rubberized version, but I said, you know what? I just go with the baby blue one. It probably not match with my setup, but to be honest, I wanted to try out the S1 series for long and over the EC2B, even though when I went to the that tournament to buy it, to see that hopefully they got it, they didn't, but they had the EC2A, which I went with that. But I said, yo, when I get a chance, I'm gonna definitely go with the S1 for sure. And I'm gonna try something a little bit different as well. And pretty much I'm gonna, for the first time ever, I'm going to review two game mounts at the same time to see how that works out. So let me guys know down in the comment section if you think that's a good idea or not. But anyway, I'm still gonna do it. So it comes with a nice white package. So open this thing up. So open up and we got inside, boom. Okay. So that's the mouse itself. Let me open that one more. Okay. So it comes with this nice big mouse feet. Same thing as the EC2B, TS Go, and the regular EC2B. Of course, it is a 3360 sensor. Adjust your polar rate, your DPI. Again, red is 400, purple is 800, blue is 1600, and green is 3200. And of course, you can adjust your polar rate on the fly as well. Another really interesting factor about ZOWIE, of course, it comes with extra mouse feet. That's a plus. Let's do a quick side-by-side comparison. Ooh, I like this already. Now let's bring the camera a little bit closer so you guys see what I'm doing. So, this is the S1. So, a quick side-by-side comparison. Ooh, looks nice. I like this. Oh, the buttons on this are really good compared to this one. Wow. Oh, the buttons on this are crisp. Wow. This is gonna be really interesting. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you like this video, comment down, answer those questions down in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. As always, remember, kids, don't do drugs. I'm like really excited right now. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be really interesting. So pretty much I just want to try this out. I'm debating should I keep this one or wait until I get the rubberized version of it. The only thing that kind of sucks is that I ordered from B&H the rubberized one, and that's gonna take time, so let's see what happens. But again, I'll see you guys later.